Welcome to Piraha, a narrow home in Sao Paulo passed down through 3 generations, recently renovated to welcome a young couple and their dog. Originally, the house had closed-off rooms, minimal lighting, and low ceilings. These didn't align with the open, light-filled spaces the new owners desired. To meet contemporary living needs, the old structure was removed, preserving only the solid brick boundary walls, which were once structural. Now, this narrow urban lot, measuring just 4 by 24 meters, has been transformed into a 3-level home: ground floor, upper floor, and a rooftop garden. On the ground floor, an open plan connects the kitchen, living room, garden, and barbecue area seamlessly, creating a social, open space. The entrance features native landscaping, enhancing the arrival experience. A pivot door and sliding glass walls fully open the social area to the outside. In the kitchen, a marble cooking island anchors the space, organizing the dining area on one side and a passage to the living area on the other. Custom wood cabinetry, a hydraulic tile floor, and a stone countertop give the kitchen a warm and functional character, with dimensions of 3.6 by 5.15 meters. In the living room, exposed cylindrical metal pillars, beams, slab panels, solid brick, and a custom metal shelving unit showcase the architectural details. The central garden, set between the living room and barbecue, features a mature jabuticaba tree, transplanted here to share its fruits and provide thermal comfort. Moving upstairs, a mixed-structure staircase features 2 flights, the first in polished concrete, the second in folded metal. The upper floor is dedicated to 2 spacious suites, creating private sanctuaries within the home. The suite features a wooden panel that can be opened to maximize sunlight and ventilation, or closed for privacy and light control, adapting perfectly to each moment. Continuing upward, a metal staircase leads to the rooftop via an automated hatch, unveiling a garden and urban oasis. The elevated structure on the rooftop allows space for a lawn, a vegetable garden, and a deck, ideal for outdoor relaxation. The rooftop leisure area maximizes space use, enabling better interaction with both nature and the city landscape, blending an urban and green environment across different heights. This home celebrates family legacy, blending old with new in a space designed for modern living. It redefines urban living within São Paulo's dense landscape, providing a vibrant and peaceful retreat. Every detail, from custom cabinetry to the native plants, brings a unique charm and practicality to each space. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.